if you're like me and you need small snacks throughout the day to keep your energy up and you really want them to be healthy, otherwise you get that short high from sugar and then you slump, just like Molson does even without sugar. So I have got this lovely recipe to make my own muesli bars, and I'll show you how. All you need is 100 grams of butter or coconut oil, and I've already got mine on the stove melted, plus I've added half a cup of honey in there as well. And then over here we've got half a cup of dried apricots chopped, half a cup of cranberries, and then half a cup of coconut, and then about 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds. And then 1 3/4 cups of finely rolled oats, and it's important that they're fine or they won't kind of hold together. You also need a pinch of salt as well. You can get all of these things from the bulk bin section at your local New World supermarket as well, so it's really easy to do. Turn on the oven to 170 degrees and get that preheated, and then take your butter and your honey and melt it on the stove. And mine's just melted there. It only takes a couple of minutes, maybe like 3-4 minutes, and it's good to do it on a low heat, so that actually, we'll pop that there for now and we'll add our dry ingredients first. So, oats, cranberries, get all those oats out, excuse fingers, and apricots, coconut, and pumpkin seeds, and a pinch of salt as well. Alrighty, now take your honey and your butter, pour that in, and mix it together. Super easy. This is a really simple recipe, easy to do, and when this is all mixed up, you pop it in your baking tray, and then you're going to need to get some muscles going and do a firm press down. So I've got a little baking dish tray here that's kind of like a muesli bar shape. It's nice and deep. Pour this into it, nice and gently. Spread it out. And then, with your hands or the back of a wooden spoon or anything that is nice and flat, flatten it out. You can even use something like this. This is a ladle, and mine's got like a little flat bottom here. And then just press that down. Then we'll bake it in the oven at 170 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. And then when you take it out of the oven, use the same thing and then press it down again so it's nice and flat, because in the oven it'll kind of rise a little bit and it will go crumbly. So press it down. So pop that in the oven, take it out, press it down, let it cool, and then put it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. And then after it's been in the fridge, that's when you cut it up. So this is what mine looks like. It's super delicious. Take out your little muesli bar shapes. These are so healthy and yummy, and you will not regret making these, I can tell you. There we go. You can keep these for a few weeks in an airtight container, and they're delicious to have in your lunchbox as well. If you make these for your lunches, let us know how yours turned out and send us a photo to the clubhouse. You can even make some for your friends and take them as gifts. If you're looking for more info about Food for Thought and how your school can get involved, just head to the Fanimals website and click on the New World Food for Thought button.